join to matrimony, I have to remind you of the solemn and binding character of the vows that you are about to make. Marriage in this country is the union of two people voluntarily entered into for life and to the exclusion of all others. So if you'd like to turn and face one another, because you're marrying each other, not me. And if you'd like to hold hands. So Gary, do you take Lara here present to be your lawful wedded wife?
I do.
Will you love and respect her, be honest with her, and stand by her through whatever may come?
I will.
If you could please repeat after me. I, Gary Holland,
I, Gary Holland,
take thee
take thee, Paula, from Manizet,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded wife.
Love. Do you take Gary here present to be your lawful wedded husband?
Yeah.
Will you love and respect him, be honest with him, and stand by him through whatever may come?
Yeah, I will.
Perfect. And if you could please repeat after me. I
will.
Full name.
Dominic.
Perfect. Take thee, Gary Holland. Take thee
Take thee, Gary Holland,
to be my wedded husband.
to be my husband.
So we have now come to the exchange of rings. The ring is an unbroken circle and has no completely ruined script here.
It's not there.
It has no beginning and no end, but it's an unbinding circle and forms an everlasting love, which is what you have, which is the most important part. So Rosie, do you have the rings? She did have, but
Trust me.
so, Gary, you're going to take Lara's ring first. And if you could place the ring on Lara's fourth finger, the one holding it there, say these words to Lara. I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a sign of our love and marriage,
as a sign of our love and marriage,
and as a symbol
and as a symbol
of all that we share,
of all that we share,
and in recognition
and in recognition
of our future life together.
of our future live together.
Would you like to push the ring fully on? And then if you could please still continue to say, I promise to love
I promise to love
and care for you,
and care for you,
to trust
to
you
trust you,
and be honest with
and
you,
be honest with you,
to stand by you,
to stand by you,
whatever the future may bring.
whatever the future may bring.
I promise you loyalty
I promise you loyalty
and friendship,
and friendship,
both now and always.
both now and always.
Perfect. So Rosie,
Page.
Paige, you go to Paige. If you could give Gary's ring to Lara.
Thank
Good
you.
help, Paige.
Perfect. And if you could also, yes, that's the right hand, the fourth finger. That's the one, yeah.
Yep.
Fourth finger. And holding it there, say these words to Gary. I give you this ring
I give you
as a sign of our love
and the sign of
and marriage,
and marriage.
and as a symbol of all that we share,
Of our faith.
and in recognition,
So,
and in recognition
In recognition, yeah,
of our future life together.
our
of
future.
our future life,
Our
future
future
life together.
together.
And if you'd like to push the ring fully on, it's teamwork, that is. If you can continue to please repeat after me, love. I promise to love
And promise to love
and care for you,
and care for you.
to trust you
To trust you
and to be honest with you,
and be honest with you.
to stand by you,
To stand by you.
whatever the future may bring,
For
whatever
whatever
the future
the future
may bring.
may bring.
I promise you loyalty
I promise you loyalty
and friendship,
and friendship.
both now and always.
But now and
It's a long thing to remember. May these rings form a visible seal to the marriage contract and be a reminder to you both of the vows and promises you have made to each other here today. Gary and Lara, having made the declaration required by law, and having made the solemn and binding promises with one another in my presence, the presence of the marriage registrar, and more importantly, your family and friends here with you today. It is therefore my pleasure and privilege to pronounce that you are now married to one another. Congratulations, Gary and Lara.